So the idea to create the Wild and Woolly YouTube channel came from my brother Anders, who started making a cooking channel where he and his lovely wife cooks different dinners and put up different recipes. Go check it out, Olsen the Danes. I'll put a link in the description below. So now we have persuaded him to come up and make some YouTube videos together. And Siv started building a living room / kitchen where we could make some good food and enjoy the summertime. The planks Siv is using is something I made from my chainsaw. It's called an Alaskan sawmill. It's something you can thread upon your chainsaw and then you can make lovely wood planks.
I'm having a blast making the planks match the bedrock perfectly, so it gets steady and not glides around. It's quite fun, like a puzzle.
So after a hard day's work, Siv already came pretty far with the new bench. And in the evening we went down to have a look at it and have a little cozy time, and even Akita came with us.
Hey, what
Hey.
are you doing?
I'm making pillows for the new little kitchen island corner where we have to sit with bonfire and grill in the weekend. And
So nice.
cozy here.
It's looking good.
Thank you.
It totally matches the corner.
Yes, it does.
Here we are, day 2. Maria have made the pillows and Siv has been carpeting all day, and all for me to do is enjoying it, also together with Akita, and we approve. Good work, girls. And also a kudo to Siv for her cool triangle table. And this table here where Maria is going to be an outdoor kitchen island. This is day 3 and Siv is still working on. She's added a new bench. So now it's like a corner sofa, I guess. And this is going to be so nice.
So our new outdoor space is starting to get ready for the visit from Denmark. But we have a problem. We were thinking to have to make all of the food on open fire. But now it's so dry that it's really dangerous, and we can unfortunately quite easy start a forest fire, so it's not advisable, or I don't think it's legal either. So what we did was we fetched the big grill instead. But now we're up in red on the forest fire alert, so we can't do that either. And yeah, I was thinking about lights here, but yeah, we can't have that either. So we have our little solar panel there. That's okay. No fire there. And basically we have to either take the casserole in and out of the house or move the gas oven outside. We can do that. Or maybe just use a little gas flare like a camping gear. We'll figure something out.
By now it's a really sad situation with the drought. Because there were almost no rain during May, even the duck pond has now completely dried out. And they have no place to swim. We have to give them water in a bucket so they can swim every day.
So now there actually is a forest fire quite near us in the neighboring county. Only luckily for us it's a river between us and the woods that is burning forest. It's quite severe. So of course we will not have a fire or open flame at our YouTube visit from Denmark, and just be thankful that it's not burning here.
But luckily we got the outdoor kitchen slash living room finished. And I think Sue has done a lovely work.
Thank you!
Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe to help our little channel grow. It's great inspirational to make these small videos and show you our life here on the farm. Take good care out there in YouTube land, and hope to see you soon.
So now the film studio is finished. We are only waiting for you. You make a demonstration. Oh, it is flames. Yes. Whee.
Luckily Søren went by the hardware store and found this super cute little gas stove, and now we can cook very safe without having to start another forest fire outside. So that's a good situation. And now we're really excited to get to cook with Anders when he arrives.